If you're receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from Billiads City game app and you wish to put a permanent stop to it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, the best way to achieve this is to access Billiads City game app info page. You can do this through settings, but that will be a long way. The shortcut method is just to long press on your app and then you should see app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear next here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this and here you will be on the app info page. At this point, go to permission section and under it look for notifications. As you can see, notifications are turned on, and if I open, around 6 types of notifications are on. With this on, you will always receive notifications. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you never again receive alerts or pop-up from Billiards City game app unless you go ahead and enable them again. So that's how you can permanently disable Billiards City game app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.